What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? It's your favorite roommates, and today we're reacting to reasons you shouldn't mess with nature. I'm like, I want to move this hand, the other hand, but like because it's so opposite, I feel like all right, do it this side, but it's this side because it's flipped. If that makes sense.
Oh my god, I be doing that when we're recording. Like my head be like to this way, and I be like, no, I want to move it this way, but it goes this way.
All right, man, let's get it. Oh, little beaver. That beaver from the off. Let me see you, friend. Oh my god. Oh my god, I would have lost my.
Oh, it's really fighting him. Oh!
Oh my god.
Oh, monkeys are bad as fuck.
They are.
Oh no! Oh, see, now you're playing too much.
Yep. See?
That's what you get.
That ocean, bro. That ocean, bro.
SimbaThaGod.
Why?
Oh, no.
Oh my god. Why do you have it? What are you doing? Why do you have a baby alligator? Bro, I would have been throwing up. Why the fuck do you have your hand on an octopus, twin?
Yeah.
Hell no.
I feel like it. Ooh, the texture.
And it's just like
feeling.
sucking you. Like,
Yeah.
like it just. It. Oh my god. Oh my god. I would lose my shit under that water. Look at this dunk. Look, it's gripping him. Yo. Oh, ooh. Get this shit the fuck off. That shit ain't doing nothing but just.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's sucking him up.
Oh my god, did you ever hear of Terrence the octopus? Yes, from TikTok. So this family had bought their son an octopus, I guess for like his birthday or something. And the octopus ended up having 51 eggs. Yes. And it's so funny. It's so cool though. Like they let like once the eggs hatch, they had to keep them separate. Like you can't keep them all in the same like container. So he had literally containers piling up in the tank, and 51 of them. They had to call like a scientist, an expert, everything. Literally. Oh my god, I have to show you it.
I would have lost it. No. Look, and it's sucking him up. He's panicking. And now it's gonna be stuck on him. Look.
Yo, they're evil. He's up to something.
He is. Oh. Hey man, that not funny, but dang, twin. Right.
Like, yeah.
Why you did that?
Why do that? I just picture you.
I'm smacking the shit out of one of them damn geese. Baby.
Oh my god. Oh my god, get off of
Damn,
me.
that thing is mad close.
Ow! Ow! Let me come on, please.
Too late in the day. I mean, too early in the day.
It's not too late. It's 12 p.m.
It's too early.
I haven't had coffee because you refused to make coffee in between fucking takes. We gotta finish the.
What time is it? We're 33 minutes late. And then you're going to be posting at like 1. At 1, because then you have to edit the video. An hour.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be posting at like 2.
Yeah. Wait till my PC get here. You're doing all of this.
Here's a
Give me. Y'all gonna sit here and watch me eat a fucking cookie. I'm not taking this
Are you
out.
kidding me?
Motherfucker.
Oh my god.
You shouldn't have snatched my cookie. Hit play.
This is not cold for sure. I'm coming.
Facing her?
It's there.
Antonio!
No.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That nigga was almost lunched me, bruh.
That's a big room.
Come on. I know you ain't fucking scared of no damn geese.
Oh, the enemy.
Oh my god. Oh, you really fucking trying it. He's pissed. The elephant is pissed.
Did he just stomp him?
Yeah, and hit him with his tusk.
Oh,
You see it? He lift that bitch up out the thing with his tusk.
Now why the hell?
Wow.
Try it.
Damn. Oh, wow. That's not funny. It's just sad. Hey, the more you fuck around, the more you gonna find out.
Oh my god. I've never seen
That scared me. Look at the snail peeking down, saying, "What just happened?"
Oh, this
my
girl's right
gosh.
there.
Say,
No, it's right there's one right here. Like,
Oh.
Oh no!
oh damn.
Oh my goodness. Most action ever.
Oh
Yeah.
man. Gosh, that nigga had a thin air, man. A rat versus a rat.
Oh my god.
I've never seen. Sit from behind, but you keep. Oh, no, that's the wrong time to fall, twin. And to fuck you up.
Yo, once you piss them off though,
That nigga persistent.
now you pissing him off even more. Look at his neck.
I know you fucking lying. That's a whole. That little kid did nothing, man. He's in here.
Give my man some food.
He's hungry. Is he chewing? What?
Yeah.
Oh, wild dogs. Oh, hell no.
Damn, that's a big ass dog back there. Imagine just riding your bike. King up on
Oh
you.
my god.
You yelling is not gonna help you.
You gotta make yourself big and loud. It is helping.
I've been barking.
I'm making all types of noise. Hey man.
You yelling like that ain't gonna do nothing. I would be like, Chucky.
Mimi's
gonna swim. Is it
What
swimming?
the hell? A fucking lizard. Not you about to throw the lizard to see if it can swim.
Hey. Now swim to me. Swim to me one last time, then we'll let you go.
Oh god! Nah, I would have been panicking.
I would have, man. Full blown panic attack.
What the fuck?
Видишь, у него вторая пасть там.
Oh, it clamped down on his hand.
Oh.
Ай, блядь!
Oh no.
Ох, сука.
Не это самое.
Пиздец. Гад.
Shut that.
Mind you, sit dead. Sit dead is a bitch.
You shoot your arm by accident.
Oh shit. Oh god.
Oh shit. That was funny. I can see.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that was funny.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, isn't that the fish they have at our nail salon?
I think no. That's like a cat. That's a catfish. They got Oscars. Where you going? It's like a big ass fish.
It's gonna right. I think it's too dark for me.
Yeah, it's way too dark down there. What's over there? What's that big ass cloud?
Ah! It's warning your ass. Don't go that way.
No, maybe he's trying to get him back. Alright, nigga, you following me too long, bitch.
Alright, now he's messing with it. Don't do that.
High five.
Oh hell no!
That is a living llama on the ski slope.
Oh my god, I want a llama.
Until they spit in your fucking face.
Oh yeah, but like I want one. Look how cute.
Oh my gosh!
Look, yeah. Oh, now you don't want no fucking llama. Imagine you go to school the next day like, yeah, I got pushed over by a llama. Man, you fucking lie. I got video, bitch. What the fuck is that? Is that a tornado lightning lava? Do you see that?
I don't think that's a tornado.
Look at it spinning, dude. Look. It's literally spinning. Look. You think I'm just lying? You think I'm just lying about this? You're not even looking.
I am looking.
Oh, niggas are doing the fucking spinning wind with fucking. Look at it. Hey, man.
That was a good video. I like those. I want a llama.
To spit your face and push you over.
Oh my god, you know what I want to do? We should take Danny.
Where?
To the drive. Is it like drive in or drive through zoo?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, like when you put in a cage. I think you gotta like go somewhere.
I don't. Yeah, they might not have that here.
Yeah.
Or like you get to drive your car through and feed the animals through the window.
Oh, that type of place. I'm not taking my car there. He's slobbing all in the fucking car while eating this shit.
They be putting their whole head through the damn.
Yeah.
Wait, guys, I want to show you the damn fucking octopus. Octopus Terrence.
Terrence.
Yeah. Look, y'all. This is Terrence the octopus.
Not Terrence.
Cover your face.
She moved around the tank for hours, watching and probably judging us. Bimax are roughly the size of a sunflower seed when born and grow quickly during their very short 1 to 1.5 year lifespan. Terry's mantle head is roughly the size of a lemon, which means he
That was
is
a Terrence but had eggs.
So I guess I don't know if they knew if it was like a girl.
Okay. I need you to end this video because I gotta blow my nose.
Look at the baby.
Oh
my God.
Look! We had always stayed in constant contact with our BIMAC experts.
And there's 51 of them things.
Hell no.
Bye, y'all.
Ask them a question.
Oh,
None of them had ever laid fertile eggs.
I don't know.
What's a wild animal you would have as a pet?
Llama. Bye.